So I made some new updates to the Bannister software. You can go to the link in the description. It will lead you here. You download this, you extract, you go in this folder, you find the Bannister exe, this guy. You open it, and this is the new edition. It's the learning section. So never mind books for a moment. Let's go to videos. The point is, let's clear this for a moment. Point is, let's delete what there is already. Point is, you can take YouTube links. Let's go to YouTube. Let's say of Gary V. Let's say we call his topics marketing. So you take the link, you add, and you can set here in channel category mapping for Gary V to automatically be categorized in marketing, for Mozy to be business, for whatever. That way you don't have to categorize manually. And then here you can sort them by category. The point is to make a watch list to organize all those links, because if you follow a lot of people, there are a lot of links, a lot of videos you want to watch, and you're probably not getting to them. And this way you get to prioritize as well. Anyway, so let's say you want to watch a couple of Gary V videos.
On May 1st.
I take another link, I add, and it gets added to my marketing section. See, Gary V videos. Now, on top of this option, I also added an option to make a focus. So, set focus mode. Let's say I want to improve in marketing. So I want to watch a lot of marketing videos. So in order to not get scattered and watch all sort of topics, I can set the software to decide for me that I can only watch a non-marketing video 1 out in 5. So 4 in 5 marketing. And I designate it to happen for, let's say, 1,000 videos. And here you can see the focus is marketing. It draws from the last time, but let's say it starts at 0, at 0, 0, day 1. Okay. So let's say I just started, the focus is marketing. I haven't watched any videos yet. I haven't completed any towards my 4 videos, so I can watch something else. But now let's say I click, it opens the Gary V video.
I started more.
And let's say that I watched it. Now, right now the status in the filter is all, but you may also go to pending if before you want only seen videos you haven't watched yet. So it goes to pending, and then you mark it as watched, and now you have 1 in 1,000. And let's say I wanted to watch another kind of video. What other categories do I have? All, no other videos. So let's add something. Mozy, because
I have used
categorized. And I do add video. Oh, I didn't figure it was business because of the API issue. Well, we can categorize manually. It's business. So let's say I want to watch that Mozy video. Didn't categorize it. Business. Oh, we didn't categorize it as Mozy. Well, there's a fix for that, but you need to apply the patch. So anyways, I go into the video, and it tells me you can't because it's not marketing. That's the point. It keeps you honest. It stops you from watching off focus, and well, what does happen to your skill level if you watch 4 out of 5 on a certain topic for 1,000 videos? That's the point of this window.